How to check via money transfer status 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can check via money transfer status in 2025. So first of all, you have to go to the Ria Money Transfer website, the official website like riamoneytransfer.com, and after that you have to navigate to the track a transfer page, and then you have to enter your order number or pin and click on track transfer. And after that, for the Ria mobile app, you have to open the Ria app and sign in to your Ria money transfer account and tap on track or track a transfer and enter your order number or pin and then tap track transfer. You can also find the track a transfer option on the Ria website homepage before logging in or under the top right menu icon after logging in. The recipient can also track the transfer using the same method if they have the Ria app. Sharing the order details with them ensures they can also track the transfer. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.